Hi friends, today I have a special recipe for you. German rum balls, or Rumkugeln as they are called in Germany, are a unique and delicious German chocolate truffle that is so worth adding to your holiday treat repertoire. Let me show you what you need. Half a cup of soft butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 4.4 ounces of milk chocolate, and 7 ounces of dark chocolate. I'm using high-quality chocolate bars that I already broke into pieces so to make it easier to melt evenly. You also need 1/3 of a cup of strong brown rum and half a cup of chocolate sprinkles or cocoa powder. And as always, you can find the full printable recipe with helpful tips when you click on the More button in the box beneath this video. If you love traditional Christmas treats, then check out our German recipe advent calendar on the website, where you will get surprised with a new exclusive recipe every day. From sweet treats to savory delights, you'll be sure to find something to satisfy your holiday cravings. To make the rum balls, start by beating the softened butter until it is light and creamy. Then sift the powdered sugar into the butter and continue to beat until the mixture is light and fluffy. Melt the chocolate in increments using a microwave or use a double boiler instead. In the microwave, stir the chocolate every 15 to 30 seconds to make sure that it doesn't burn or become too hot before you add the chocolate to the sugar butter mixture. Then gradually add first the melted chocolate and then the rum to the butter sugar mix while whisking. Chill the chocolate mass for at least 45 to 90 minutes or overnight, and then allow the chocolate mass to come to room temperature, about 68 degrees Fahrenheit, before you roll them into balls. Because if the mass is too hard, it's difficult to roll the balls, and if it's too soft, it's a huge mess. And if it's around room temperature, that will ensure that the chocolates will be easy to shape without being too hard or too soft. To shape the balls, take out a bite-sized amount of the mass with a teaspoon or a melon baller if you have one, and shape them into small little balls. This works best if you are using gloves, but if you are having problems rolling the balls, rinse your hands occasionally with cold water, but make sure that your hands are dry again before shaping. And then roll the balls in chocolate sprinkles or sweetened cocoa powder. You can also roll them in powdered sugar, cookie crumbles, finely chopped nuts, or coconut flakes. Store the rum balls in an airtight container in a cool room for up to 6 weeks if you can resist them that long. Guten Appetit!